We were asked by the Chancellor's office to print off 1,000 golden jaguars. The gold color signifies the 50th year anniversary, or the golden anniversary. We've ordered all of the gold filament and started 4 weeks ago with printing the jaguars, and our printers have been running now 24/7. For 3D printing, this process started with designing a jaguar.
We found a base sculpt of a jaguar online, and from there we were able to pose them and manipulate them and do a crouching stance, a leaping stance, kind of jumping. And then once we have our base pose done, we essentially take it into software where we can sculpt it. So think of it like a clay sculpture. We can add muscle definition, have his mouth open, have facial expressions.
We typically print 6 at a time on each printer. It can take about 9 hours or so to print a batch of 6, and with 5 printers going, we do 30 in about 9 hours, and we usually switch them out twice a day, so we're printing between 50 and 60 a day.